In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous versions of a file in Google Drive for Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides on a computer. This is a great way to roll back unwanted changes, compare edits over time, or recover content that was accidentally deleted. Start by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or has access to the file you want to restore, especially if you work across personal and work accounts. Next, open the Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file you want to restore. It needs to be a native Google file, meaning it was created in Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Items like PDFs, images, or Microsoft Office files uploaded as is will not have Google's version history available. If the file opens in the editor with the familiar toolbar across the top, you're in the right place. With the file open, look to the top menu bar and click File. In the menu that appears, hover over Version History, then choose See Version History. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a chronological list of saved versions, each labeled with a date and time. If the document has been edited by multiple people, you may also see who made changes along the way. Take a moment to browse the list of versions. Clicking a version in the panel will load a preview of how the file looked at that point in time. You can scroll through the document as usual to check the content and make sure it's the version you want. When you find the one you'd like to bring back, click it to select it, then look to the top of the panel and choose Restore this version. You may be asked to confirm. Restoring makes that selection the current version of your file, but don't worry. Version history remains intact. If you change your mind later, you can open the history again and restore a different point in time. A quick note before we wrap up. If your file is not a Google Docs sheet or slide, Google Drive does not store a version history, and the version history option won't appear. In that case, you won't be able to use this method. That's it. You now know how to safely roll back to an earlier version of your Google files. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.